Hi, I got this bumper from my friend neighborhood, and this I can show you how you can repair that is polyethylene or polypropylene. This bumper is cracked at all, you can see. First step, clean it inside. Now, second, more important, okay, that is this crack. Stop on the crack. Just only put a little bit like drill, or you can see that is this one. I put it as a little bit and stop the crack. Now, this bottle is primer. Primer you can use only on these materials: polypropylene, polyethylene, and Teflon. I use primer for both sides. Also that I put primer on the top. Leave it for 30 seconds. When it's completely dry, again this is broken piece. Second, that I use clipstop glue. And I see that it's, you can see that it's straight. And I put glue. Now on the top I put weld powder. Weld powder special for any plastic. And I put more glue on the top. And keep on the angle. Now finish this side. With glue. And you can use powder. And to build the top, glue and powder. And this part is refined.